Making a house is quite hard, however, it's different when it comes to making cat houses. There are a bunch of different cat houses out there. You can make a very simple cat house quickly, but today we'll check out the most creative cat houses ever made. Coolest cat house ever. That's a small twin bed. Fairy tale cat house. That's a banana cat house. A corner bed by the window. A kitten house and a table. A cool hammock for two cats. You can relax your legs on it. That's a very soft cat house. One of the most creative cat house. Another creative cat house. Looks like a cat apartment. Cute and relaxed cat house. DIY house. A hammock under the table. Space Saver cat house. An expensive cat house. A huge tree for cats. A playground on the ceiling. A cycling playground. Thank you guys for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe.